next bit. Sup, welcome to my island.
There we go. So we're gonna go on a little trip. Let's go.
Yeah, the road that goes up through here, it connects on the north side of the island. This is the John Head bypass. I call it a bypass because I come from this side of the island to the other side of the island. To mark the boundary of different plantation owners to keep the slave enslaved, and this has a prickle on there. You get in that, you're gonna be torn to pieces. You're gonna have a hard day. If you look down to the tree line, you can see how the people trash the island. They doesn't have no respect for the island. They just trash the island. When they finish taking wherever they have, they throw down to the bushes, and then nobody goes down and pick it up. One day I'm gonna put a trash can here. I'm gonna put a trash bag in there so the trash don't have to go down the hill no more. Okay, this is the entrance to the Reef Bay Trail. This trail goes right down to Reef Bay. In this location, we also have some homes where the slaves live, like the house and stuff like that.
Yeah.
This leads down through a slave plantation. Reef Bay Trail.
Reef Bay Trail.
It's on the 5-mile mark. They ain't gonna never get an opportunity to be a king in life. It's not easy being me. Ain't easy being me because the energy that they see is not me. What they feel for me is bad energy. I don't release good energy to them unless they have a good heart.
Yeah.
I could tell if you have a good heart or not. Oh, I read your energy. I read through you because it's just like the man who invented the fucking phone. You could pick up your phone and go on the internet. I could take up my mind and go on your spiritual line. Hard to do. After the ride over there, we have the 3 blue roofs. That's where I stayed back in 2017 when I had 2 hurricanes, Irma and Maria. That building would sell today about 1.5, 1.6. The harbor that you see right there, that's Coral Bay Harbor. That harbor is so polluted because of the liverboards. They throw trash. Whenever they don't have a pump station out there, we need to get a pump station out there so that sailboats can stop dumping in the harbor. That's the way we're gonna save Coral Bay. Over to the left over here, we have the island of Tortola. Right down the middle of Tortola, we have the Mason-Dixon line, I will call it. Separate the British on that side from the United States on this side. Out to the east of the island, we have Norman Island, Peter Island, and the island goes in a chain all the way up to Vortingana, Anigala, and so forth. The same way, I does it go on your spiritual link. Only you know that, nobody else knows. Don't blow my cover. what we talk about when I'm in this mode stays with us. You understand? Otherwise I can get fucked. And you ain't gonna be here to help me.
No.
Okay. It sounds funny because if you don't understand it, how I showing it to you, I don't show it to nobody else. That I tell you, you know me better than anybody else that I have in contact with.
Because you're letting
every
me
second, I more or less in the body, the soul, and the spirit. Not the Holy Spirit, the spirit of the spiritual ancestors that they have prepared a place for you to travel through this universe. That I tell you, the universe is your university. Use it wisely. Don't read them book and leave them book confused because that's what Illuminati does. Illuminati. They out there.
Yeah.
People with bad energy, sometimes you don't see it because they smile at you. You got to be able to read their energy, find out if they're smiling or not. Fake smile don't work with me. You can't fool me. I was a fool in life without money.
Yeah.
But platinum, my energy, you need at least 3 to take me down. I learned that from being built on a military foundation. You could take me down with a machine gun, bam bam, I dead. What that release is my offsprings. But like how I talking to you now, if my son walk to the concrete plant one day, I would be bumming him because he be jumping and jumping. What the fuck that he doing to me? So I have to tone it down for he to accommodate the relationship in the spiritual world. The other one I going to show you, Terrence, I deliver him from his mother womb when he came into this universe. So the spirituality I'm ready to attach from the time he was in the womb. Not when he come out. But if I wanted when he come out, he would have hit his on the pavement because his mother was there in the chair bawling for help and the only thing on her was the fucking concrete. I was the doctor and girl. I deliver him, I cut his neighbor's string. That's why we so DNA and spiritually close, but he don't understand me because he think what I'm doing is stupid. He don't realize I don't think to scare you because you ain't supposed to be fucking scared. You as a military soldier, you do more time in the military than me, but you're never gonna get the power of the spiritual world that I have because, like I said, time and grade. The time you put in, how much sun you see, how much moon you see. Every day you practice this kind of spirituality. You pray to your ancestors, don't pray to the white Jesus. The white Jesus don't have a DNA attached spiritually to you. I'm gonna save it for you, Mama. I ain't gonna let them go with it. Mommy left me with a whole lot of problem in the family, but I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna see you when I see you. I ain't gonna come back to after because I know you ain't there no more. But the name and everything is what I'm really concerned about right now. Rest in peace, good Mama. Maybe, I don't know for sure, maybe one day I'll see you again. I damn well know me you'll see you again.
And you think that happened?
Probably. And the guy over there have something to do with it.
Cool.
The guy over there, a French guy. And now he after me. I believe he after me now, but I gotta fuck him. He think he can take my life before I go take his on, he fuck. That's the kind of fuck where the be going on. Fuckery. I know it all. Mr. Know it all. I don't share it with nobody. You on top of the world now. I share it with you. You know me pound for pound because as I speak, the energy that I produce, once I engage you, you in. Like I tell you, when you start to push me out, I got shut it down because you're fighting against my energy. And you can draw me down quick. Now that you have met me both physically, mentally, and spiritually.
What do you think gives you your energy?
DNA.
Yeah.
The DNA that my father used a lot of energy when he was applying to make his firstborn prince from the female that the harbor is polluted because of Liverpool. I ain't afraid to say shit in the harbor.
Yeah.
This is currently marine right over here.
And what is that?
This where we sell stuff to maintain boats and stuff like that.
Okay.
Rope, anchors, we help to maintain boats and stuff like that. All this right in the middle of the harbor we have what is called Usher's Key. Once a guy named Tyrone, a Rasta, used to live up there. Before the hurricane, they had a roof on there. Now the roof is all gone. This is the dock, the floating dock. The floating part of the dock is what they added on to accommodate the traffic. Most of the boats that you see over here waiting to do a daily tour. This is the road heading toward the Fort Park pyramid on the hill over there. The pyramid that show you from the distance. The Fort Park. All them motherfuckers sleeping.
Yeah.
And they ain't gonna wake up because they don't have that spiritual energy that they can tap into. I can teach them, but I wouldn't. Because what I'm showing you is not for everybody.
Are you thinking they don't accept, like they don't
want
it?
No, it's not that they don't want it. They look at me as being a clown and a fool. It's in the reverse.
It's reverse.
It's a fucking king.
Yeah. Because you're spiritual.
I the four king.
Yeah.
King of clubs, king of hearts, king of diamonds, and king of spades. I'm the four kings. The reason I say that because I could play the fool, I could be on point. If you challenge me, you gotta come good. If you hit me, you gotta come better because you hit me like that, I can put 3 pounds extra on it, I'm gonna knock you out.
Yep.
You understand it? No?
Yep.
Okay. Only you know me to this point. So, like I say, what happened between me when I'm in the spiritual mode, in this spiritual journey through the spiritual universe, I'm connected with the moon, the stars, and the sun.
I love your dog.
Can't go there, man. Can't get there. But that is why for the next couple of years, that's gonna be my happiness.